Worms, come along, let's learn bird names with a fun new song. From tiny ones to big and tall, let's sing together and name them all. Sparrow, sparrow, chirp, chirp, so sweet, flying around with tiny feet. Pigeon, pigeon, gray and white, sitting on rooftops morning to night. Peacock, peacock, color so bright, dancing in the rain, a lovely sight. Crow, crow, caw, caw, so loud, flying in the sky, dark and proud. And birds, birds, here and there, flying high, they're everywhere. Big or small, they love to sing. Birds are magical with their wings. Hello, hello, that's what it said. Owl, owl, wake at night. Hoot, 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 till the morning light. Duck, duck, waddling so slow. Quack, 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 to the pond they go. Penguin, penguin, walking in snow. In icy lands where cool winds blow. And birds, birds, here and there, flying high, they're everywhere. Big or small, they love to sing. Birds are magical with their wings. Flamingo, flamingo, pink and tall, standing in water, not moving at all. Kingfisher, kingfisher, blue and bright, diving for fish, such a lovely sight. Eagle, eagle, soaring so high, strong and bold in the big blue sky. Hummingbird, tiny and quick, buzzing like magic, a lovely trick. Now we know bird names, big and small. From the sparrow to the eagle, we've sung them all. Watch them fly and sing their tune. Birds make the world a lovely boon.